creating a unique and beautiful flower landscape with creative pottery. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how to transform your garden or outdoor space into a stunning, one-of-a-kind floral paradise. We'll combine the beauty of different flower varieties with the charm of creative pottery designs to make your landscape truly stand out. Choosing the right flowers. Start with a variety of flowers that bloom in different seasons. This ensures your garden looks vibrant all year long. Mix tall flowers like sunflowers, foxgloves, or delphiniums with medium-height blooms such as roses, marigolds, or daisies. Then, add low-growing ground covers, like alyssum or creeping thyme, to create layers of color and texture. Playing with color combinations. When designing with flowers, think like an artist. Use complementary colors like purple and yellow for a striking effect, or go with analogous colors like pink, red, and orange for a warm, harmonious feel. You can also create themed color beds. Introducing creative pottery. Now for the fun part, pottery. Go beyond plain pots. Use hand-painted ceramics, rustic clay jars, or mosaic tiled planters to add artistic flair. You can repurpose old teapots, watering cans, or even painted tin buckets as plant holders. The pottery itself becomes part of the garden's art. Arranging flowers with pottery. Try grouping 3 or more pots of varying heights together for a layered look. Use taller pots at the back, medium ones in the middle, and small ones up front. Place brightly colored flowers in plain pots, and neutral flowers in decorative pots, so each stands out beautifully. Adding accents and features. Enhance your landscape by combining flowers and pottery with other elements. Add decorative stones, driftwood, or stepping stones between pots. Place large statement pottery pieces as focal points, and surround them with smaller flowering plants for contrast. Seasonal refresh and care. To keep your flower landscape looking fresh, rotate seasonal blooms in your pots. In spring, go for tulips and hyacinths. Summer is perfect for zinnias and petunias. By mixing vibrant flowers with creative pottery designs, you can create a landscape that's not only beautiful, but also personal and unique. Your garden becomes more than just plants. It's a living piece of art. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed these tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your own creative garden ideas in the comments. See you in the next video.